When a Jamaican woman a general a Jamaican man, hi baby, you know me like you. I want to know where you live. You know say me live with my sister though, and no man can't visit. Because my sister Christian and my sister strict. So me can't make a date with you for go out. You know say me not have no time though. I wish when I house you live. You know say right you know me no live nowhere somebody me catch with. So now the concrete house you live in. Me not even live in a one house where have one solitex over the top. So what? So when me can see you? You know you miss me no time. You want the one? The Jamaican man a deal with the woman, you know. So when I get down to business now, you know I'm pregnant. Boy, I know for me that the baby there, I know for me. Well, are you alone me that talk to, you know? So I feel your baby. So you know, give me money for go a doctor. Get the money. Months come. You know some lose the baby. Woman never pregnant. But the man get a 6 feet and 9. When a Jamaican woman ready to play with your head, you know, a Jamaican woman play with your head like a gig. Then give her 6 feet and 9. A big thank you to all of you for your unwavering support by subscribing to my channel, by commenting, by sharing, by liking up my video, by remixing my videos. Thank you so much. I've reached 200 subscribers. Please share with a friend to share with somebody else because I am trying hard and I'm also trying my best. I welcome any input that my channel can reach higher heights. Please subscribe. Please call out and share with others so that they can get a taste of Jamaica, bringing back the good old days that has once gone. Here it comes. The good old days is back again. A word to the wise is sufficient. Take heed, old wife saying, grandma sayings. Words are wisdom. Don't bite the hands we feed you. Sometimes you turn around and give somebody food. It don't have to be food. And they turn around and they backbite you. They find somebody to bad talk about you. Know your limits. Know your space in people's life. Jamaican have a saying fi say, sorry fi maga dog turn round bite you. In situation where somebody look for your sympathy and you lend them your sympathy and in return they turn around and bash you and say all manner of evil against you and paint you to be that bad and terrible person. I've seen it all the time. Sorry for Magadog turn round bite you. Not everyone you can lend your sympathy because sometimes it becomes a curse to you and you was only doing good just to help that person. Not everyone is grateful for your help. Sometimes when you see someone who needed help, sorry to say, sometimes you have to pass them by. Well, some needed the help and would be grateful and be very appreciative and show appreciation just to get the little help. But sometimes them say the good always suffer for the bad because you don't know who needs help. Not everyone who say or saying that they need help need it. But sometimes people just use you and abuse you because they know your kindness. Don't take my kindness for weakness. Strength.